Welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I will be making an alternative project using the April 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit Sentimental Rose. I'm using a different size card. I'm calling it the Table Tent card size, and it is 2 3/4 inches or 2.75 inches by 4 1/4. To learn how to make this card size, search for Table Tent Handmade Card on my YouTube channel. So this one is pretty simple and really easy to make. We're going to use So Saffron and stamp 2 of these roses on our front of our card. I love this distinctive stamp. It just gives so many different colors and variations and shades to the stamped image. It's so easy. And we're going to use Mint Macaron and stamp the leaves. And then these are some extra pieces from the April Paper Pumpkin Kit. We're going to stamp Thank You in the gray granite. I love having extra thank you cards on hand, and this size of card is perfect to carry around with me. It's not too big or bulky. Okay, so you'll notice that I have rubbed gray granite on this piece. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to use a sponge on your gray granite, ink it up, and then just rub it. I love how it helps make this piece of paper really pop, adding this sponged technique onto it. Okay, now assemble. Just adhere this. Move it up a little bit. And then use dimensionals to do the thank you. I wish these were sometimes would be easier to pull off, but there we go. Nothing too bad. And then just put that on your card. Easy, beautiful card. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this card and that you will try the Table Tent Handmade Card size as well. For more information and to order any of the products you saw me using today, visit creativechelsey.com. Have a creative day. Bye.